Did you know you can enjoy dessert for breakfast while staying within your calorie limit? Yeah, you heard that right. Today, I'm gonna blow your mind with a keto breakfast that tastes just like dessert, all while keeping it around 300 calories. How awesome is that? So let's dive into the world of keto breakfasts that feel indulgent. We often think of healthy eating as boring or bland, but I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready for a delightful recipe that's gonna change your breakfast game forever. Now, let's talk about a little something that drives us all a bit crazy. How many of you have felt frustrated trying to find healthy breakfasts that don't taste like cardboard? I mean, we've all been there, right? You wake up and you want something that satisfies your cravings, but you also don't want to sabotage your diet. It's like a never-ending battle. The misconception that healthy breakfasts are bland or unappetizing can be super discouraging. And for those of us on a keto diet, finding satisfying low-calorie meals can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I've got a solution that's not just nutritious, but also delicious. All right, let's get into the good stuff, the recipe. For this 300-calorie keto breakfast, we're going to need some really simple ingredients. First up, we have eggs. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, making them the perfect base for our dish. Next, we'll add some cream cheese, which gives it a rich, creamy texture. Trust me, you won't believe how indulgent this tastes. We also have some almond flour, which is a fantastic low-carb alternative to regular flour. To sweeten things up, we'll use a sugar substitute like erythritol. And don't forget a splash of vanilla extract to make everything smell amazing. Now here's how we put it all together. Start by whisking the eggs in a bowl and then blend in the cream cheese until it's all smooth. Next, fold in the almond flour and sweetener and give it a good mix. You can pour this delicious mixture into a greased baking dish and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The result? A fluffy, decadent breakfast that's gonna make you feel like you're indulging in dessert. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to taste this heavenly creation. Wow! I can't even explain how good this is. Seriously, it tastes just like dessert. The creaminess of the cream cheese combined with the sweetness makes it feel so indulgent. I mean, who would have thought a keto breakfast could satisfy your sweet tooth like this? It's truly mind-blowing. You guys have to try this. I promise you won't regret it. So, to recap, we've whipped up a keto breakfast that's not only low in calories but also bursting with flavor. This recipe is a game changer, and it really proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. You can enjoy your breakfast without sacrificing taste, and it'll totally change the way you think about keto meals. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite keto breakfast ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And if you loved this recipe, don't forget to check out my other video for more delicious low-calorie recipes. Let's keep this healthy eating journey fun and tasty together.